Hello students, today I will be teaching you advanced feature of spreadsheet. Advanced feature of spreadsheet is a concept which is very important. It is a feature which let you do many tasks, like you can do sum total of the data, you can count the number of tasks, number of times a data is occurring, you can find out the average of the data. So I will take your theory session as well as practically also I will tell you how to consolidate data, how to find out sum total of the data. For that, first I will take your theory session. Advanced feature of spreadsheet. Before that, you should know what do you mean by data, what is a data, what do you mean by worksheet, what is a worksheet, and how to do sum total of the data, sum total of data in Excel sheets. So you should know all the three things. What is a data? These days everybody are using internet, everybody are using social media, every moment each moment somebody is uploading some data, somebody is downloading some data. So what is this data? Data is one of the most important source for analyzing or getting proper information. Means if you want to analyze a detail, if you want to analyze a list, or if you want to get a proper information about anything, then you should know about what is a data. Spreadsheet package is of great help in sharing, merging, referencing, hyperlinking and consolidating. Spreadsheet package. Spreadsheet is a package. You must have seen that in Excel sheet there are three sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, and all the three sheets have total number of data. Means you have seen that there are collection of cells in a spreadsheet. And what is a cell? Cell is the intersection of row and column, all of you know. So we can share a data, we can merge, means we can combine the data, we can refer to the data, we can hyperlink, we can provide a link. Hyperlink is what? Hyperlink is a link upon which you will click, then you will be redirected to some another web page. Consolidate means combine, means I will show you practically what is the meaning of consolidating. To combine cell content. If we want to combine cell content means we have created list in two different cells like sheet 1 and sheet 2. Now we want to combine the cell. So for that we need to open the worksheet. We need to create some worksheet in the sheets. We need to click on the data menu, then we need to select consolidate option. Click on the source data range area box. We need to select some range. For example, whatever data, sometimes we want that we have created a list but we don't want the complete range, so we need to select the range. Select a source cell range from the worksheet to consolidate other areas. Like this is the example of consolidating data in Excel. Where you have to go, you have to open the MS Excel spreadsheet package. You have to go to the file, then from data you have to click on consolidate. When you will click on consolidate, you will get an option and you have to select the data and then you have to click on consolidate. I will show you how to implement function in Excel sheet. Now you have consolidated the data. You have the meaning of consolidation is compilation or collection of the data in one place. The data is in separate place, and the meaning of consolidate is to combine all the data in a particular place, in a single place. So select the desired function. Now we have consolidated the data. Now we want to apply some function, like we want to sum the data, we want to find out the average of the data, or we want to find out the count function we want to apply. So for example, I want to apply sum function. Click on the more button and then click on the link to source data checkbox. Create a consolidated summary sheet which will show total expenditure in a year. This is the question based on the above concept. You have to create some list, then you have to consolidate all the data, and then you have to apply subtotal formula. Now there is a formula subtotal. The subtotal command is used to automatically create, group and apply inbuilt function like sum, count and average to summarize data. We have some different functions like sum, count or average. These all will come inside the subtotal function. Like this, we have to select all the data, then we have to apply a function like subtotal. Then we have to click on OK. As we will click on OK, our data will be added. Steps to do subtotal. How to do subtotal? Now where you have to go? Select the range of cell with values for which subtotal function need to be implemented. Obviously your data is in different sheets, so you have to select the range, you have to select the data in which you want to apply the subtotal. And in subtotal, as I told you, you have the sum, count and average function will come. So you have to go on data, then you have to select subtotal. In the group by box, select the column for which subtotal is required. If the content of the selected content changes, the subtotal are automatically calculated. Group by, you have to automatically select some subtotal. In the calculate subtotal for, now there is another tab where you have to click calculate subtotal for. Here you have to select and you have to select subtotal. You have to use function box, the value to subtotal. Then you have to click in the use function, select desired function to calculate. I will show you practically how you have to do. Now these are some summarized view. What are the things you can do in electronic spreadsheet? A computerized version of manual sheet. It automatically calculation with free error. Means it is error free. Once you will calculate, you will not find any kind of error. That's why it is used officially in many MNCs or many organizations. It is used for storing, editing and retrieving a sheet. Automatically recalculation with the help of what if analysis. I will let you understand what is what if analysis. Formatting marks sheet more readable and appealing. Graphics that represent data in visual format. Now I will show you practically how to do. Now this is Open Office. I have made a data. This is sheet 1. I have opened Open Office. In sheet 1 I have created some data. You can see month wise data, Jan, Feb, March. I have entered some data. In first sheet I have earlier, see you can see, in first sheet I have written month wise data, January, February, March, April. I have entered few amount. In sheet 2 I have entered few data, and then in sheet 2 I had taken data, and then I'll click on consolidate and I have to apply sum. So here sheet 1 is applied, but here sheet 2 is not written. So what I need to do, I need to select the data, complete data, then I need to go here, then I need to click on add. As I will click on add and OK, all the data got added. You can see these are the subtotal. These are the subtotal in the consolidated manner. So these are the things you need to do by using subtotal command in Open Office Excel sheet. How to open? I will show you from start. Discard. See, this is the presentation. You need to open Office. Okay, you need to click on Open Office. This is Open Office package. In Open Office package, this is Open Office 4. For this you need to install JDK, Java Development Kit. Then you need to click on Spreadsheet. As you will click on Spreadsheet, I have clicked, it will take some time to open. Like that you have to open some data, and then you have to click on data and you have to consolidate the data. So I hope you'll understand. For more videos, please watch my channel and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.